There's something magnetic about classic American trucks. Machines that don't just carry cargo but carry stories, sweat, and soul. Today we're diving into three legends that defined their eras and shaped the very spirit of the open road. First up, the 1956 Ford F-100. This isn't just a truck, it's a symbol of post-war America's grit and pride. With its bold chrome grille and sweeping curves, the F-100 stood out like a beacon on dusty highways. Under that hood, the Y-block V8 roared with power, not just to haul but to declare, "This is American muscle and reliability rolled into one." Step inside, and you're greeted by steel, simplicity, and a connection to the road that modern trucks can only dream of. It's raw, real, and utterly timeless. Next, the 1972 Chevrolet C10, a truck that screams style and attitude. With its two-tone orange and white paint, chrome wheels, and classic houndstooth interior, it's the perfect blend of muscle and swagger. This was the era when trucks weren't just tools, they were personal statements. The C10's smooth lines and powerful V8 engine made it a favorite for both work and play. Imagine rolling down the street, windows down, engine growling. Every head turns. It's a classic that's aged like fine whiskey, gaining respect and admiration with every mile. Last but not least, the 1946 Dodge Power Wagon, the ultimate symbol of toughness and resilience. Born from military roots, this truck wasn't just built to look rugged, it was engineered to conquer any terrain. With its glossy forest green paint, massive off-road tires, and uncompromising design, the Power Wagon tells a story of endurance and hard work. Inside, it's simple, no frills, but every detail screams durability. It's the truck that carried America through the toughest times and still stands tall today. These three trucks, each from a different era, remind us why we love the classics. Because they're more than machines. They're legends that carry the heartbeat of America. Whether it's the sleek elegance of the Ford, the cool confidence of the Chevy, or the rugged determination of the Dodge, these trucks inspire us to appreciate craftsmanship, history, and the thrill of the open road. So, which one's your favorite? The timeless Ford F-100, the stylish Chevy C10, or the unstoppable Dodge Power Wagon? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into America's automotive legends. This is Lux Auto X, where every classic truck tells a story.